Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Jay, and in this video we are going to talk about my plans for Movies Games Beyond. The Movies Games Beyond is one of my best YouTube channels. As you can see, it's got 20.5 thousand subscribers. It makes me the most money out of all my YouTube channels, and plus the most out of all businesses so far. But if you're new here, welcome. This is my channel, Make Money Video. I make money with Etsy, KDP on Amazon, as well as with videos on different video platforms and social media sites. So feel free to come and check out any of these videos, guys. And let's get into it, guys. So as you can see, this is the Movies Games Beyond website. Movies Games Beyond YouTube channel. And if you look, I'm wearing the Movies Games Beyond t-shirt that I created and bought. This is my best channel. It started off as a hobby for me and my kids, me and my sons, and we just upload videos. Yeah, feel free to come and check it out. What more can I say? It's about movies. Yeah, it's not about games anymore. It's just more about movies. Yeah. So moving on, the website. Go back to that. My plan for this is to keep uploading videos. I try to upload them daily. Sometimes it's only like 3 a week. Sometimes it's more. Sometimes it's less. But as long as I'm uploading quite on a regular basis, guys, that's my plan, to keep building on it, guys. It's getting lots of views every day. It's getting new subscribers every day. So yeah, I just want to keep building on it. Hopefully get more interaction, because not many people comment on it, on the actual videos. So I want more interaction, because I go on some sites, some videos, and there's loads of people talking. I don't seem to get that on here, but hopefully I can build on it and grow it, build the community. That's the whole point of it. Now, the website, I have not uploaded to this for a very long time, but I'm making a little bit of ad revenue, and the goal for the website is to start uploading weekly posts. Yeah, if you look at it, it's got like Christmas ones, it's got lifestyle video, lesbian, facts, superhero, Netflix, Amazon Prime. It's got different sections, guys. Just come and have a look at it, guys. Feel free to come look at it. Yeah, so the goal for this is to start uploading more regular. Yeah. And hopefully grow it, build it, and get more like people liking it and sharing it and that, guys. Yeah. Now the movies Facebook group, one of my goals is to make a better picture. Yeah, I put this in temporary, but just forgot for update. It's got nearly 3,000 members, which I'm happy about. We post multiple times a day. Me and my son post, so feel free to come and get involved. The goal is to hopefully get more interaction. Yeah, I get people liking some of the posts, but not many people interact with it. But the goal is to build on that. I want more people interacting and talking and that. Yeah. Now there is a page for the movies group. I've not uploaded it since 2020, guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna upload it. It's one of my less priorities at the moment. Same with the Movies Games Beyond TikTok videos. Yeah, I've not uploaded for a long time. I might start uploading again, but my main priority is the YouTube channel and the website. Yeah, and that is it for today's video, guys. Short and sweet, just on about my Movies Games Beyond plans for 2022. So feel free, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you know about Movies Games Beyond but you didn't know it was from me, comment below and let me know, guys. If you want to learn more or want to learn anything more about my movies side of it, feel free to ask any questions you want. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you've not done so already, please subscribe. I really appreciate the support, guys. And until next time, thanks very much. Goodbye.